Forget generic sleep advice. If you want true tired brain recovery, these 3 habits act as literal medicine for your mind overnight. The morning fatigue you feel is not a lack of sleep. It is a dense accumulation of neurotoxic waste. This is the origin of brain fog after 50. Every hour spent in fragmented rest allows metabolic debris to settle in the prefrontal cortex. The architecture of your focus suffocates under microscopic plaques. You buy time. You delegate daily tasks. But you cannot outsource cellular repair. When the mind fails to cleanse overnight, cognitive decline becomes a mathematical certainty. Society normalizes this morning exhaustion. They call it a natural part of aging. We reject this premise. Mental fatigue is a symptom of environmental failure. Your brain demands a pristine environment for regeneration. Sleep is never a passive state. It is an aggressive biological extraction protocol. Think of the human skull as a closed hypersure ecosystem. During the day, neurons consume immense energy. This consumption produces a toxic byproduct by the hour. If this waste remains, electrical signals misfire. Memory retrieval falters under the burden. Complex problem-solving feels like dragging dead weight through deep water. We call the solution overnight medicine habits. They require zero conscious effort during execution. They demand precise environmental engineering before you close your eyes. The first habit involves thermal manipulation. Core body temperature must drop to initiate deep slow-wave sleep. This phase is non-negotiable for cognitive recovery. During slow-wave sleep, the brain undergoes physical shrinkage. The space between cells increases. This structural shift allows cerebrospinal fluid to wash away the day's toxins. A warm bedroom destroys this mechanism. Set your ambient temperature to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. The crisp air signals the hypothalamus to shut down vigilance. Heat keeps the brain in a state of superficial alertness. It prevents the profound neurological dive required for optimal cellular cleansing. You wake up feeling rusted. Combine this thermal drop with supreme visual deprivation. Even a standby light from a television disrupts melatonin synthesis. The environment must mimic a subterranean void. Photons piercing the eyelids signal the brain that morning is near. This truncates the recovery cycle. It halts the release of critical growth hormones. Securing a premium pure mulberry silk sleep mask ensures total darkness. It blocks residual light while regulating skin temperature. You can explore a curated option in the description. With temperature and light controlled, the foundation is set. But the mechanical process of brain cleaning requires specific spatial alignment. We move to the second habit. The glymphatic system is your biological waste clearance network. It operates with peak efficiency when you sleep on your side. The lateral position provides the optimal angle. Research indicates lateral sleeping maximizes the flow of cerebrospinal fluid. It washes away beta-amyloid proteins. These proteins are the primary suspects in severe memory degradation. Sleeping on your back restricts this vital fluid dynamic. Sleeping on your stomach misaligns the cervical spine. This restricts arterial blood supply to the brain case. Posture during rest is as critical as posture during a boardroom negotiation. It dictates the efficiency of internal systems. Poor alignment guarantees a sluggish morning. Have you ever noticed subtle lapses in your mental precision early in the day? What changed in your evening routine or sleep posture the night before? The structural support of your neck is the linchpin. A generic pillow collapses under the weight of your head. It creates a bottleneck for fluid drainage. The angle of your head must remain neutral. This requires firm, responsive support. The goal is an unobstructed pathway from the skull to the spinal column. A minor elevation of the head can assist gravitational drainage, but the spine must remain straight. The architecture of the bed itself becomes a medical instrument. This leads us to the third habit: acoustic isolation. The aging brain develops a severe sensitivity to microarousals. Unpredictable environmental noises trigger immediate cortisol spikes. You may not reach full consciousness, but your brain shifts out of the deep restorative phases. It enters a primitive state of defensive vigilance. Sirens, distant traffic, the settling of a house. Each unpredictable sound is a microtrauma to the sleeping brain. It fragments the repair cycle into useless segments. You must mask these unpredictable auditory intrusions. Standard white noise is often insufficient. It can sound too shrill. You require structural, low-frequency soundscapes. Brown noise or pink noise provides a superior barrier. These frequencies mimic the sound of a distant ocean. They create an impenetrable acoustic blanket. This blanket neutralizes the jarring impact of sudden sounds. The brain stops listening for danger. It surrenders to the uninterrupted cycles necessary for cognitive preservation. Deploying a dedicated architectural sound machine transforms the auditory environment. It creates a predictable baseline. We have linked a premium acoustic generator in the description for your consideration. These three habits form a triad of cognitive defense: thermal and visual emptiness, mechanical alignment for fluid dynamics, acoustic neutralization of the resting environment. Together, they turn the bedroom into a neurological recovery chamber. The medicine is not a pill you swallow. The medicine is the environment you curate. Neglect the physical space, and the brain labors through the night. It wakes up carrying the metabolic weight of yesterday. A slow, grinding existence. Control the environment, and the brain purges its waste. You wake up with a quiet, sharp, and empty mind, ready to process complex, high-stakes information. High-level performance demands ruthless boundary management. Your sleep environment is the most critical boundary you possess. Guard it from light, heat, and unpredictable sound. Many executives spend fortunes on nootropics and focused supplements. They ignore the foundational decay happening every night in a poorly optimized bedroom. This is a strategic error. Supplementation cannot outpace sleep deprivation. Reversing brain fog after 50 requires cellular clearance. This must happen before any cognitive enhancement begins. Consider the air quality of your recovery chamber. Stagnant air leads to carbon dioxide buildup. Elevated carbon dioxide levels cause restless sleep and morning headaches. Introduce a silent HEPA air purifier to the room. It removes particulate matter. It creates a subtle airflow that prevents carbon dioxide from pooling around your face. Clean air facilitates optimal oxygen exchange in the lungs. Oxygen is the primary fuel for cellular repair. Denying the brain pure oxygen during sleep is self-sabotage. We must also address the chemical transition into sleep. The hours before bed dictate the depth of the initial sleep cycle. Alcohol is a known disruptor. A nightcap feels relaxing, but alcohol blocks REM sleep. It fragments the later stages of rest. The brain prioritizes metabolizing the toxin over repairing neural pathways. Replace the evening alcohol with a specific mineral compound, magnesium L-threonate. This particular form of magnesium crosses the blood-brain barrier. It calms the central nervous system. It lowers the electrical activity of a racing mind. It prepares the brain for the thermal drop. We have included a link to a verified formulation in the description. The final hour before sleep should be an exercise in sensory reduction. Dim the overhead lights. Engage floor level, warm illumination. Signal the brain that the day is over. Avoid confronting complex emotional or financial problems late in the evening. The stress response elevates core temperature and cortisol. It counteracts the thermal manipulation strategy. Treat the transition to sleep as a deliberate protocol. It is not something you fall into. It is a state you engineer with calculated precision. Fluid intake must also be managed. Stop consuming liquids 2 hours before resting. A full bladder guarantees a microarousal in the middle of a critical sleep cycle. Every time you stand up in the dark, gravity changes. Blood pressure shifts. The heart rate accelerates. The brain takes over an hour to return to a deep state. Digestion is another mechanical process requiring immense energy. Eating heavy meals late at night forces blood flow to the stomach. It diverts resources away from brain repair. Fasting for 3 hours before sleep ensures your core temperature can drop. It ensures metabolic energy focuses on the glymphatic wash, rather than breaking down proteins. A disciplined evening routine is the ultimate cognitive safeguard. It requires no extraordinary talent. It requires only the discipline to respect the biological limits of the human brain. The affluent lifestyle often praises the sacrifice of sleep for ambition. This is a false dichotomy. Trading cognitive longevity for temporary productivity is a poor investment. You have spent decades building external assets, wealth, property, status. Now you must apply that same rigor to your internal assets. The neural network, a sharp mind, is the ultimate luxury. It allows for continued independence. It ensures you remain the architect of your life, rather than a passenger. Implement the thermal drop. Enforce the lateral sleeping position. Deploy acoustic isolation. Monitor the results. The clarity you experience will become a structural advantage. Do not accept cognitive decline as a natural consequence of time. Time is a neutral variable. The environment is the control. Master the environment. Defeating brain fog after 50 is a matter of strategic architecture. It is the application of physics and biology to override the natural decay of the aging process. If you found the insights on acoustic isolation or glymphatic clearance valuable, comment the word precision below. If cognitive longevity is a priority, consider subscribing to protect your most valuable asset, your mind. The concepts discussed are for educational and strategic purposes. This material does not constitute medical or financial advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines.